two frames we're looking at today are made by a company called Persol. You'll always know a Persol frame by their distinctive arrows on the corners. The frame in front is a 714 Persol frame, often referred to as the Steve McQueen. That frame's not made anymore, but we of course know exactly what the customer is asking for when they ask about the Steve McQueen. Unique features on this one: the foldable bridge and the foldable temples. Not only the flexible temples, but they actually fold and close up. Not only do we sell the frame, but we often get questions about getting parts. Also, something unique about the Persol frame: there's three components that make up the sunglasses. The frame front, which is here, the lenses, and the side pieces are called temples. So with a lot of manufacturers, you can order replacement lenses and temples, but not the frame front. If there's any problem that goes on with the 714 when the bridge breaks, it's the plastic material on the frame front, not the metal. So what we do is we carry the replacement frame front, or can get it for you. So if you need replacement part for the frame front, the lenses, or the temples for a Persol 714, All American Eyeglass Repair can help you. There's also one other frame in that family, and it is the 649. Very familiar with this frame. Not a foldable bridge. The temples will flex again, but they do not actually open and close. In this case on here, this is the 649. Again, you'll see it, the same setup on the frame, but without the actual foldable bridge. So if you need help with either the Persol 714 or the Persol 649 and need parts because your lens is broke, temples, or frame front, please contact All American Eyeglass Repair. We'd love to help.